Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech AI, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to make Google Sheets using Bard AI. So let's get started. So first of all, let's go to our prompt section. Here let's give the AI the instructions. So as you can see, I have written create a Google Sheet for the following. How many people entered my shop? 1st October 1 people, 2nd October 2 people, and 3rd October 55 people. So we have already given the instruction, so let's submit it and let's just wait for the AI to do its thing. It might take a while. So guys, as you can see, it has given us the answers and it is in a sheets format. So I've already added the extension. So first of all, it will ask you guys to ask the permission to add the extension. So after you allow it, you can just export this to sheets, and this way you can make your sheets from the Bard AI. So I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.